Welcome to the planet. Welcome to existence. Everyone's here. Everyone's here. Everybody's watching you now. Everybody waits for you now. What happens next? What happens next? I dare you to move. I dare you to move. I dare you to lift yourself up out the floor. I dare you to move. I dare you to move like today never happened. Today never happened before. Welcome to the fallout. Welcome to resistance. The tension is here. The tension is here. Between who you are and who you could be. Between how it is and how it should be. Yeah, I dare you to move. I dare you to move. I dare you to lift yourself up out the floor. I dare you to move. I dare you to move like today never happened. Today never happened. Maybe redemption is stories to tell. Maybe forgiveness is right where you fell. Where can you run to escape from yourself? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Salvation is here.
I'm going to invite Andrew to come back now and share something of his life experience.
150 kilometres out, so you go left, then you go right, and then you go left again. It's a wonderful piece of racetrack. And so as I just went to turn into this corner, all of a sudden I felt the car next to me right into the side of my car. And so my car has started sliding and sliding towards the wall on the inside, the tyre barrier. And so my challenge for you tonight is very simple. If you've ever stopped for a moment, if you've considered that there might be a God, and you've never actually done anything about it, come and take one of these books. They're free. I'll be over here in the dark. No one else will see you doing it. Over by the sound desk on the left here. I've got a stack of these. Come and grab one and have a read of it for yourself. And if you've got some questions from reading this, or then talk to some of the people here that go to this church and ask questions. My number one encouragement for people when you're looking is to ask questions.
I dare you to move. I dare you to move. I dare you to lift yourself up out the floor. I dare you to move. I dare you to move like today never happened. Today never happened before. Welcome to the fallout. Welcome to resistance. attention